children.
Does anybody want
Y'all, it's Animal Company time, and I can already see N64.
Can anybody?
Oh no! Wait, my bad. This is a GameCube. I'm an idiot.
You
Monkey!
bitch! Nah.
Does anybody want a
I want
duplicate
revenge,
event?
bitch. You pussy. You fucking asshole.
Yo!
You fucking pussy. Nah.
Can somebody give me? Hey.
That's what you fucking get. You killed me for no reason. You
Yo, where's the cosmetics at?
We're back.
bitch ass pussy
I
ass.
just got shot.
I'm having fun with that.
It will be okay.
Does anybody want a dip?
Oh, see.
Does anybody want a?
There.
Oh my god, he died!
Wait, who are you?
Alright, okay.
He died.
No.
Coming
No.
up.
Stop sending me to the next realm.
Look at your
It's not
friend's
fun. They raped me there. The
What
next
the
realm makes me get killed. Fuck you.
green?
What's your name?
What's this, a VR?
Oh, he's fucking dead.
Wrong person. Where is he? Where's the guy? There he is.
Thank God I respawned before my
Hello.
Fuck me.
Look at that, there's fan
I'm
art.
lucky I made it out of the lab before that
Oh, I
big
am.
fuck me. Randy.
Yo.
He's the one. Hide your dog.
Whose mic is deep
Oh, what are you doing in
fried?
here with all these rats?
Whose mic is deep fried? Man, I'm dead.
Yeah.
Chicken.
I died!
Fuck 'em, boys.
I like the actions. I will
Fucking
help.
with no up.
Yo!
My boss, my thing is about to
Actually,
die.
it's a game
so
cube.
I don't have much time.
Roar!
Will, I love your actions
Yo, you're
and
the bald
just
guy.
join me if you can. Join me whenever.
So I
Nah,
have
I'm killing the
100.
bald guy.
Give me a stick.
Fuck the bald guy. Fuck the bald guy.
Do you wanna go big boom? Okay, follow me, let's go. Big
Out of my
boom.
way,
I love
I
big
can't
boom.
Can't get me now.
Boom.
Okay, tree
I'll do
stick.
big boom.
Nature's sword.
Yeah,
Okay.
come on.
Should we use this as bait? Yeah. Boss, don't say
Yeah,
that
you got a
word,
backpack.
I'm not ready to watch it.
cause you know why. We don't want to use that word. I'll do it.
Bring the
Just get something and
big boom
He did not.
Cooking with Jack! Cooking with Jack! Wait, is that a landmine?
No, it's
Wait, there's a pan!
excuse me. You just killed me.
Great job.
Ah, that's how I put stuff down.
Where's my bag?
Is that a book?
Someone,
Oh! Bruh!
hey, someone stole my bag.
Bruh!
That's give me.
He left. I watched him leave.
What?
Why?
Thank you. Whoever you are. Fine. I'll just buy new stuff.
Are you guys playing a modded MM2?
Who exploded
Hey,
me?
Okay, you ready?
You.
Ready, bro?
You did a naughty thing today. Oh shit. You suck.
Wait, where's my guy? Where's he? Where's my?
Oh come on.
Bro, you suck.
Landmine.
Can I get some glow? I
Ha!
want to become
The ragdoll physics in this game is funny.
you.
Ha!
Bro, why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Can I become as big as you?
Why you kill him?
Is that
You
a
can have a
rocket?
dick as big as mine.
It's a rocket!
It's a rocket. Can I have some?
How do I put this in the bag? Yay! Okay, give me my flashlight. Let's go exploring.
Yo, what the
What?
fuck?
Ah, that's how I put it in the bag.
I knew it. People say that's the
Hi,
bomb.
hi.
He's the
How'd you get
bomb.
so big?
Yo, bro, I don't want no trouble. I was gonna kill him. I was gonna do it for you. Oh shit.
Hey, give me my flashlight. Give me...
Don't do it, Blue. I have a loving wife and kids.
Is that a pistol?
Yeah, bitch.
Bro! Hey!
Where'd that pistol go? Mine now, bitch. Oh fuck.
Open it.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Bruh!
Yeah.
Who just stole my pistol?
Shut up, bro. You missed like 3 bombs. 3 fucking
Yeah, but you
bombs.
missed 2, so you can't be talking.
There's my stuff. Give me.
Does anybody have small RPG?
Well, someone took my bag. I only have my flashlight. That sucks.
Hey, Green, country roads, take me home.
Time to go exploring. Oh wow, it's dark.
Mountain mama,
Can someone tell me how to turn on the flashlight? Please?
country road.
Oh my god, it's creepy!
That's 3. You're
How How do I turn on my flashlight? Y'all, can you tell me how to turn on my flashlight?
Does anybody have small RPG? At least I killed you three.
Yo, wait, that's a cool ass RPG. It looks like old.
Can y'all tell me how to turn? Can y'all
There's somebody behind you.
Can someone tell me how to turn on the flashlight? I don't know how to turn it on.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that! It's a crowbar.
Yeah.
I got you. Press Y. Press Y. Press Y.
Press Y. Razor. Yeah.
Ah, okay, thank you.
There you go, bro.
Goodbye.
Can I have one big trophy?
My crowbar. I'm gonna need that. My crowbar. Oh my god, they're so spooky. Ooh. What are these? Ah. Ah, okay. Is this what you're supposed to do? I don't know.
Behind you.
What? Wait, hi. No. Bro!
I'm real watch.
the jiggle physics.
My Molotov on. Wait.